So while the big boys play with their train, I had to break out this train for baby Charlie because he kept on trying to sabotage. I love our choices today. Pluto, we got Sam from Richmond, Minnie and Elsa were also aboard at one point or another. We are doing Vlogmas, even though this week we've not done much. Christmas season, such and fluff, because I had a little, run-in with the ER, but I'm feeling much better. But Peter is working remote. I'm still taking the ibuprofen, but I do think that the cyst has collapsed. Feeling a lot of relief. I'm still taking medication though, so overall, on the up and up. Should be good for this weekend. Should be good for the holiday week. But because we are home this morning, I'm gonna try and stick to that little loose schedule, little routine that I laid out in yesterday's vlog. We've been doing good so far, except for I need to get out of my jammies. My Christmas jams are kind of loud. It's my wrapping. It's wrapping paper. This is the only wrapping paper I have. It's for Christmas presents.
Christmas present is open. What's inside?
It's paper. It's a roll of paper. And this is like not typically the vibe I go with, but I was just drawn to this. I forget where I was. I really do love it, but I'm just like typically like classic red and green. This is like navy blue little pattern. It's so beautiful. And so this is kind of funny. I was just drawn to this. So I'm like, one, how many days until Christmas? 6. Definitely need some more wrapping paper. Definitely need some ribbon. And then I want to like match this vibe so that all the presents I guess I don't really have to. I think the boys will each get their own wrapping paper, so then they know which one to go pick. So maybe I'll just like pick this as one of the boys, and maybe I'll go like totally different vibe for each of them. Baby Charlie just, causing chaos. We went on our walk. There's a new Miss Rachel that I didn't realize was up. The baby is asleep. You might be able to hear the monitor. I can hear it still. I'm so sorry if you can. We're having some snacks. Jamesy is home from school and he got the coolest little craft from his classmates.
A craft?
It's a craft. Put your star on top.
Yes. I'll put the star.
You put the star on too. He gave Teddy a nap to make a little tree over here too.
I'll put the stickers.
It was like somebody's birthday, and then
I'll put my Christmas tree.
they're just getting really festive at school, I suppose.
Mama.
There's garland and a string of lights and ornaments. So cute. We got one baby having a bottle, and one baby taking a nap. And this one has just been building Christmas trees.
This bed, a Christmas tree.
Yep, all afternoon.
Mama, look.
It's that 3 o'clock-ish feeling where I simultaneously feel like what have I accomplished? And I have not stopped all day. But I do feel good, actually. I feel more accomplished. Following my little hour-by-hour thing has gone well today. I did do a little stepping YouTube video. I felt well enough to do that, so that was good. We got outside. We didn't get outside a second time, so maybe I'll do that with James and Charlie while Teddy's snoozing. Yeah, I'm gonna have this little snack. I guess I've been really trying to truly eat lunch, and I didn't do that today. So I'm gonna have this snack and then maybe another something else just to make it a little bit more substantial. But I just took out the shrimp. My last clip. Evie tried to come over here for my snack too. I took out the shrimp. Gonna get dinner ready soon, and Peter will be done with work soon as well. We are making shrimp tacos tonight. I am melting a whole stick of butter. I don't think I need this much butter. But
we're not okay.
We are okay. We had a really good day, but we're still short-circuiting, but I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna pull it together. I'm gonna make a little dressing for the slaw out of jalapeno pepper juice, some mayo, and I don't know what else yet. Already I added lime juice, tahini, garlic, pepper. Did I say lime juice? I'm gonna mix it. If it's not the right consistency, I might just add a little bit of water. Also, I think I put, if I didn't say it, I also put Tabasco sauce. What's going on with the Amazon device?
That's how the brand goes right now. Yeah?
Alrighty, butter's all melted. I added in some lime juice and minced garlic. So the tortillas are a little kooky, but I just threw them in the oven at 350 for like 3-4 minutes. Get them nice and warm. I put a little layer of guacamole on the tortillas. 4 or 5 shrimps on each taco. I think I might have like cooked them 7 or 8 minutes on each side in that butter. Top each one with a little bit of slaw, and then a little bit of pico, and a single jalapeno. Charlie's trying a pepper for the first time. Not as big of a fan as he is the cucumber or the guac. What an end to the vlog. What an interruption by Sarah from the future. I'm 2 days behind on the vlog. Just please know how much we are doing our very best to keep this train rolling. As you can tell, we've had a very trying week. We don't even share everything, but we've had so many appointments. We've had so many change of plans. Just like basically this week just came from left field for us. And I know you guys are all very understanding, but just know we're trying our very best. This vlog is short and it kind of came to an abrupt end with dinner. The shrimp tacos were delish. We did an easy rice and that like taco salad bag, but I hope you enjoyed my little cook with me. And I know in one of these videos I filmed, Peter's doing a bath time. In one of these videos I mentioned talking to my friend Carolyn about Vlogmas, like everyone just wanting to see us again, and that's what it's really all about, is this little bit of Christmas magic that we get to share together. But she had the idea of doing like a Christmas tag that that kind of used to be more popular on YouTube, just like tags in general. And so I thought I'd end this vlog with an off-the-cuff little Christmas favorites, and then I hope that you will put in the comments yours. So first off, I'm going to do my favorite Christmas movie is It's a Wonderful Life, but I kind of feel like that's a cop-out because that's just my favorite movie, period. And so I would say like the Christmas movies that like make me the most like in the Christmas spirit at Christmas time are Home Alone 1 and 2. I can't choose between the two. They kind of just are one entity for me. And then I was trying to think of my favorite Christmas song, and I love, is it called Shake Up Christmas? It's by Train. It's like the Christmas song that comes on and I'm just like ready to jam. It's like, shake up the happiness. I think it's called Shake Up Christmas by Train. And that is just my feel-good Christmas song. I will say my favorite like classic Christmas song is it really just called the Christmas song? I know Frank Sinatra sings it. It's that time of year. That song, that is my jam. Peter and I always sing it when we're downtown Chicago for Christmas, and it just like gives me that feel. I recently saw this thing that was like, forget about Brett Summer, I want Frank Sinatra winter, and I just feel like that is Peter and I to our core. My favorite Christmas, let's say, drink. I might just go with classic eggnog and chocolate milk mix. Like, I feel like that's my favorite, like, cozy drink. I love to make a festive, bubbly drink, but I think that maybe because my mom loved it so much, but I think that like embodies Christmas to me the most. So that's drink. And then I would say like sweet treat. It's so funny that this is my favorite because I'm such like more of like a chocolatey sweets person, but I love like pecan bars with powdered sugar on top. That extra warm, just like caramely, delicious, I don't know, butter cookie that just like embodies Christmas treat for me. My favorite Christmas meal, whenever we're cooking red sauce for like any event, it just like smells like Christmas Eve to me. Like my mom is preparing Christmas Eve dinner for the family. So any pasta with red sauce, but like probably stuffed shells, Italian sausage. Sometimes she would do Italian sausage with peppers, but even just sausage and just like a nice big Italian salad. That's my favorite meal. So drink, treat, and meal. I've said before, my favorite tradition is going to a Christkindl market. My favorite Disney park, we'll throw a little Disney in here at Christmas time, is Hollywood Studios. It is so festive. Every corner of that park is just perfectly Christmas-fied. And it's so funny. I was thinking like Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, like which one do I like more? And I think since becoming a parent, I like Christmas morning more. I love the anticipation, but like I just feel like I feel the most relieved Christmas Day. Peace, settle in, relax, just enjoy all the yummy food and the movies. I think that's funny because I've always loved Christmas Eve more, but I think as a parent now I prefer Christmas Day. And I'm trying to think of one last thing. So I'll just go big and do like favorite Christmas memory. And I would say just a handful of them. I'll keep it short though. As a kid, my dad re-proposed to my mom one Christmas morning, and then she didn't know that he was like planning a vow renewal at Disney World like the next summer. And the example of my parents' love is just like truly like so unique and so special that like I just remember like the warmth of Christmas morning, just like the magic already existing, and then like seeing my dad like just be so caring and loving and wonderful like to my mom always, but like that's just like little special Christmas morning of like him proposing. I'll never forget that little Christmas morning. Like he gave her a new ring. She was like so surprised. It was really, really special. Peter and I have had so many wonderful Christmas mornings, but I'll never forget our first Christmas morning as a married couple, just in our own space. It was so cozy and quiet before we like went to be with the family. I think it was just like the quiet piece of like just dreaming of that for so long. And then I'll say like one, since being a parent, I think the years just become more and more special as we've just sort of like, again, like realized this dream of having a cozy Christmas with our kids. And, you know, I'll sure like next year, I'll probably say this year, but just like last year, the boys like truly just like got it. And like they got that train from Santa, and I was pregnant with Charlie. And again, it was like our first Christmas at this townhouse where we've just felt like so settled and at peace. It was like that same peace that I felt with Peter that first morning, but like, I don't know, I just feel like each year it's just sort of like amplified in just magic and joy and just that gratefulness of like being in a place somewhere that I had for a long time worried we would never get to. I still like, I can't believe it's real. And in saying that, like I am so understanding and want to send love and just like solidarity to anyone who understands that longing and the yearning of a Christmas where you might not have what you had hoped for under your Christmas tree, or you know, like I just like I understand that feeling so much. And so in saying how grateful I am, and like I just never want that to come across as like boastful. But I also think if you watch this, you know that. But anywho, I am with you and always sending love to the people in the waiting in so many aspects of life. Alrighty, I will sign off here. Thanks for watching Vlogmas, and it's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.